everyone, this is Shami. Welcome to my channel, and today we are discussing travel capsule wardrobe. Who doesn't like to travel? Everyone does. And while traveling or before going to the travel, we get confused what to take, what not to take, because we want to take everything because we want to look good in every occasion and we want to be comfortable in every occasion, but we have a limited capacity suitcase or a luggage and we can only bring a few items. So when you build up a wardrobe that complements each item with another one, it's called capsule wardrobe. So today's topic is capsule wardrobe. Without further ado, let's dive in. Top tip to create a capsule wardrobe is to bring some neutral colors and some fun colors or fun print to make it interesting. So we don't look boring all the time, we don't feel boring all the time. And neutral color means white, black, grey, blue, and blue means like this kind of bluish jeans can be considered as neutral color. But then you can have some colors in your wardrobe that can play a neutral role in your particular wardrobe. So for instance, pink plays a neutral role in my wardrobe. Why? Because I have so many pink and it can complement with one another. So what we'll keep in mind that when we're traveling or we're building a travel capsule or a capsule wardrobe in general, we'll have some neutral colors and then fun colors. And for me, when I'm traveling, I generally have 3 to 4 items which is print, and then rest of the items are in solid colors. So for instance, right now I'm wearing a red color. The red color I am wearing right now is not a neutral color, but it is solid, so that means it will go pretty much with all my bottoms. So what are my bottoms? My bottom has a print bottom, I have a blue jean, I have a dark blue jean, I have a black pant. So this red will go pretty much with all the pants that I will be bringing. That means what? This is not a neutral color, but it can play a neutral role in my wardrobe. While traveling, keep in mind that we go to places that has cultural differences and then we have to follow the norms of that particular area. So when I pack my travel capsule, I generally have a longer clothes, full sleeve and loose fitting, and it is a versatile clothes and it is a button down. I can wear it as a shirt, I can wear it as a overcoat. So you get the idea. If you have 7 neutral bottoms, you can multiply with all the tops that you have. If you have 10 tops and 7 more neutral bottoms, then you can actually have 70 outfits. And if you have 2 sandals, then 70 into 2 means 140 outfits you can make out of that small capsule wardrobe that we are demonstrating here. So I didn't show all the dresses because it's not difficult. It's not easy to show all the dresses in one video, but you get the idea. So the pro tip is, whenever you are picking your travel outfit, try to pick, most of them are neutral and some of them fun color that you really like. Another pro tip is you have to understand that all the clothes that you are picking up, and it has to be your really dearly one, and it has to fit you really well. You should not pick outfit like it doesn't fit you well, or you want to fit them into those clothes but you don't really fit in whatever shape you are at right now. I have seen a lot of people that they have carried clothes one size smaller than them because they wanted to lose weight during their travel, but they have gained at the end. And so the bottom line is they couldn't wear any of the outfits that they have brought, so they have to buy some outfits whenever they are traveling. But when you are traveling with carry-on only, that means you don't have many space in your closet or suitcase, so you should have pick up the clothes that really fits you and you really like them. And so yeah, you get the idea that you have to keep in mind about the neutrals and the fun colors. Another pro tip is, whenever you are traveling, you have to keep in mind that what kind of activities you are going to do. Whenever I am traveling, I am normally around the cities and in the mountains, so the clothes I have picked up for my travel capsule suits me really well. I am a Latin dancer and I go to a lot of salsa socials, so that means I also have to look fancy, I have to look decent, but during that day I'm roaming around the city. I am probably enjoying time with my friends and they are locals. So what happens here, I don't want to look touristic when I'm hanging out with some locals. I want to blend in with that local. And I'm a person, I'm normally not around the village a lot, but if I'm going to a village, I'll keep that in mind about the religious and the cultural barriers, and I will not break any of them. I'll try not to break any of them, but if mistake happens with everybody and I'm no different, but I try to keep that in mind. So when you are traveling, please keep in mind that we have to always keep in mind about the places that we are going. We are independent, we are free, we can do anything and everything that we want, but we also have to keep in mind that people around us also get affected by whatever we are doing. So we should not disturb the other person with our outfit, with our activities, or whatever we have in our belief. So another pro tip is, whenever you're traveling, just check the weather in advance. So normally when I am packing 4 sets of clothes, and you have seen a lot of clothes I have in full sleeve and then half sleeve, but then I also have a jacket, and if I'm putting a jacket, then I can cover up up to multiple levels. So if I'm like colder climate, then I'm gonna wear my full sleeve with my jacket on. So 2 layers will keep me cozy and warm. And the jacket I'm gonna wear, it's actually a thermal jacket. So it's a very thin and light material, but it is gonna keep me very, very warm and toasty. I'm gonna link a couple of channels in the description box below that I really like and follow them. They are fashion enthusiasts and they are making great content. I have a lot of inspiration from their videos. I'm not a very big accessory person, but I try to pick like small accessories like this, because when I'm traveling mostly warmer climate, so the chains, it gets tangled and it gets dusty, and with a lot of humid, you get a lot of sweat around the necklace. I don't wear a necklace a lot, but if you're a necklace person, please go ahead and like make your outfit even better. Thank you so much once again. Merry Christmas. Take care. Bye bye.